To access your student email, visit morgancc.edu and click on My MCC. From here, enter your S number with a capital S and your password. If you don't remember your password or are having trouble logging in, use the links on the right to try to reset your username or the password. If for some reason both of those options don't work, then use the 24/7 help desk phone number and online help desk links to get further assistance. Click Login, and once you do, you'll be loaded into the MyMCC dashboard page. From here, you should be able to check your student email by clicking on the student email link in the navigation area. You can also find the student email icon in the dashboard. If this is your first time using student email, it may not allow you to log in without some setup options. One thing you should be aware of is that our email is through Outlook, so if you download the Outlook app onto your phone, you should be able to set up your student email to always go to your phone so you can keep up to date with the latest information with ease. If you'd like to forward this email to your personal email so that you only have to check one email system, you can look for the gear that represents the settings for email and choose View All Outlook Settings. Then you can go to the forwarding option and choose to enable the forwarding and forward your student email to your personal email by entering your personal email here. We highly recommend that you keep a copy of the forwarded messages in your student email box, just so you have a space where all of your student emails are saved. When you've entered the information, click Save, and then I highly recommend that you try to email your college email and watch and test and see if it actually goes to your personal email.